Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we're doing the Pink Lemonade Soap by Morfosoaps. So the name comes from the smell, and I'll describe for you a little bit the smell. What we did, we added the fragrance first, and that's the first layer. The design will be very similar to the Ocean Wave soap that we did last week. The layers and the in the pot swirl, and then texturing the top between the layers. So you will see the design. Now the first layer is yellow. I used two types of yellow colors, and then we added the fragrance. Now the fragrance description is a refreshing fusion of luscious lemon accord, notes of fresh tangy lemon, sweet sugar, a dash of strawberry, and sun-kissed sweet raspberries. So that is the description of the smell. It's citrus and sweet, fruity at the same time. It's a very nice fragrance. So we start off with the first layer, that's the yellow. We poured it, and then next layers will be in the pot swirl, and the color we chose for the in the pot swirl will be white and pink. Because of the berries, we're doing pink and then white to just give the contrast. So yellow, and then in the pot swirl, white and pink. Then we will have pink, and then in the pot swirl, yellow and white. So as I said, very similar to the design we did last week, but I really like how those soaps are turning out, and even we're getting very nice feedback from customers, either online or in the markets. If you want to check it out, it's listed on the website, it's available for purchase, and I'll keep you to watch the rest of the video. I explained mostly what's happening, and then I'll see you again next week with another soap making, and until then, take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay well, positive, and keep smiling. Bye for now.